Hi, welcome back. This week we're going to be talking about maintaining your chain. You don't need a bike stand, you just need preferably a fibreless rag, or if not, a rag will do, an old t-shirt, something like that, dedicated to cleaning your bike. Keep it in your shed. Gloves will be really helpful, so I just use some cheap garden gloves just to keep the oil off my hands. This is just multi-purpose oil. I suppose it's best to clean the chain about once a month. Just whip the bike upside down on a surface where you're not going to be damaging your seat and your handlebar, your grip tape, that sort of thing. When it's turned upside down like this, you can turn the crank and use the action to help clean the chain. So I'm just gripping the chain here lightly, just getting all the grime and road stuff off of it, and then I'll just do the same the other side, just pinch it the other side. And that's all four sides of the chain clean. Oil does several things. It does attract grease and dirt and grime, but it also resists water, and water is what creates rust. And there's going to be a lot of dirt in that road water as well, puddles and things. It obviously helps more than it doesn't, otherwise we wouldn't be putting oil on our chains. It's always best to clean the chain thoroughly before putting oil on it. I don't recommend putting WD-40 on your chain. WD-40 is a water displacement. It's good for cleaning and getting things loose, and it helps in getting things cleaner, but it's not a good lubricant, especially for something that's quite intricately created like a chain. There's a lot of moving parts going on here, so you want really a good quality chain oil, but a multi-purpose oil will do. So there we go. Next week I'm going to go through indexing gears on your bike. So that's how to clean a chain. Thanks for watching.